Scottish Widows is a subsidiary of Lloyds Banking Group, and its iconic brand is famous throughout the UK. As a leading financial services player, Scottish Widows offers life assurance, pensions, savings and investment products. In a competitive market, their aim is to achieve excellence in the way they communicate with their customers via the marketing materials, customer letters and policy statements that define them as a company. To help them to achieve this, they went to Xerox. Xerox helps Scottish Widows communicate clearly with their existing customers and attract new ones. Xerox's team provides a service that manages the end-to-end process for all Scottish Widows marketing and customer documents. This allows Scottish Widows to focus their attention on helping their customers prepare for the future.
The scope of the services start really at document creation, right through the document development, design, personalisation, printing, production, and once it's output, distribution to customers, to independent financial advisors, then storage, warehousing and logistics. Everything to do with marketing material and their output is managed from concept right the way through maybe 5 or 6 different processes to come out the other end as either marketing material or published material that goes to the customer.
Since Xerox manages all the services, it's taken advantage of its single supplier status to gain both efficiency and cost benefits by integrating the different activities into a seamless end-to-end workflow, with every operation connected to the next in the logical sequence.
In the past, a lot of communication was untracked. It was via external email, where now the handoffs between departments are seamless. They're online. At any one point, I can go and look at a job if I want to get the full history of it, including what it cost Xerox and what it's cost the client. We use an automated web-enabled workflow tool. We have over 1,600 jobs on the go at any one time, so it's critical that we know through our workflow system where they are and who's working on them and whether they're achieving their target dates for completion.
Another key benefit is the improved transparency, giving Scottish Widows managers deeper insights into the improvements that Xerox brings to the way the institution communicates with its customers.
The new workflow tool that went in has meant much more detailed MI. So from the point of view of managing the account, we've got plenty of information and can cut that in loads of ways. Where the spend's coming from, we've got that at our fingertips now, which is obviously very useful for managing the demand.
For Scottish Widows marketers, using new tools and automation to produce output destined for customers, the new process saves time and effort on activities such as proofing and review.
This DMS online proofing system allows us to actually mark up our proofs online and send it to Creative. Well, previously they would make comments via email. I would then have to mark their comments up to a hard copy. With the new system, you can actually view all the comments that another stakeholder's making. So that way I can actually view everything that they're saying and they can actually agree it all online. So we actually save paper as well.
These are the insider's views of the enhanced efficiency that Xerox brings to Scottish Widows. But how about the customer experience? How does Xerox help maintain a consistent brand image and meet the expectations that are personified by the widow herself?
I find Xerox are very good for always ensuring that what we produce is actually on brand. They would question if we would ask for something that's not on brand, so I find that's less of a worry when I'm going into a creative review meeting with my items actually are all on brand, and that's never going to be an issue.
For customer-specific communications, the challenge has been to create engaging on-brand documents using data from the existing IT systems.
One of the constraints we've got is a lot of the stuff that is coming out in the prints that are generated are from the heritage mainframe systems. They're difficult to change in their current form, so that's been a constraint to actually changing the look and feel of the documents. Xerox have now initiated a process where they're able to intercept these outputs, route them into their document composition package and do the transformation there much quicker, much cheaper.
The key to this lies in innovative software that Xerox has introduced into the Scottish Widows workflow.
We use a platform called Extreme Dialogue, which helps us pull data from disparate IT systems, put them through a single portal. Through that process, we're helping the customer more efficiently re-engineer their documents than they previously could have in the past.
Scottish Widows customers are now receiving lively documents that speak to them as individuals. These are documents that live the brand, delivering a new customer-friendly experience by enhancing the presentation of legacy data. As a proactive partner, Xerox continues to improve processes and systems, helping Scottish Widows focus on their core activities, creating a better customer experience.
We have about 5 or 6 different work streams and over 75 or 80 individual service levels that we continually measure and monitor. At the same time, we do regular customer satisfaction surveys and give our customers an opportunity and a chance to feedback on where we do really well and areas that they think that we could maybe expand our services or improve.
The account managers have expertise in slightly different areas, and I know who to go to, and having that expertise there always put my mind at rest.
They're in a prime position to do innovation because they're good at what they do, they're subject matter experts, and they're playing in about 5 or 6 different services here.
The Xerox service to Scottish Widows is still evolving, but the results so far are promising, and so too are the creative relationships that have been formed.
I feel like a Xerox can fit in with that short time frame and can produce things straight away, and the feedback and the relationship that I have with account managers, I feel that I can rely on Xerox and they'll produce what I would require back. That will be within my cost, within the time frame and to the highest quality.